Community, mount up. We need your help in the comments as kind of a collective discussion on this one. Beards, and more importantly, at least to me, mustaches and going to the dentist. Now, let me set you up with a story. I just went to the dentist last week, less than a week ago, to get my teeth cleaned, but also to take my son Jax to get his teeth cleaned. Got x-rays, did the whole thing. Fantastic. No cavities, no problems, all was good. Well, before that dentist trip, I had 3 people in the matter of like 2 weeks reach out to me and ask for advice about their beard and going to the dentist. Now, I've had this long beard for years and years now. I've had a mustache for even longer, and it never really crossed my mind about doing anything or thinking of anything facial hair related with going to the dentist. So I didn't know if this was just like I had a good dentist or if there was more to it or what the case may be. So I told them that I had a cleaning appointment and that I would get back to them and possibly even make a video on it. And here are some of my thoughts. Introduction real quick, you guys. My name's Dan. Thank you for checking this video out. That's it. It means a lot to me. I hope it helps you guys out. You guys are awesome. So I go to my cleaning and 0 issues, no thoughts, no problems. So I asked both people that worked on me. I apologize, I forget the name of, is a dental hygienist? Is that the one who helps first? And then the dentist, the doctor. So I asked both of them and I said, wild question, you guys know what I do for a living and I might make a video on this, but essentially, when you see a mustache like this or a beard like this, is there anything that crosses your mind? Is there anything that you would tell me for advice or any advice I could give to guys in general? And essentially they said, no, not really. We just kind of do our job. And I'll give you a couple of observations. So I keep my mustache pretty big, but I keep it groomed. I kind of sweep it off to the side. That I think is a big help. And it's what I call lazy walrus. Now a real walrus goes straight down and it covers the lips. I call it a lazy walrus because it's like laying to the side, right? I don't know. It's just a silly name, but it's stuck. If you have a real walrus or a mustache that is going over your lips and obviously your teeth, maybe put some wax in. Maybe use some heat and get it sweeping off to the side. I could see where that would either be annoying or possibly an issue. Beyond that, for me, there's not much to it. When they're cleaning, when they're using the stuff, they have all the tools. They just kind of move the lips around and get to work, right? Okay, moving on there. I just didn't see any issue, especially with the beard. The beard had no impact, nothing negative. The only slight inconvenience was the mustache. Now, one thing that they do for me is, you know, the little bib that they put around so water splashes and doesn't get on your clothes? Well, this one went around and they put it over my beard. So it kind of rests right here. Now, it was there for the whole time. And then when I got out, I did have a little bit of a dent wave. I just kind of shook it up, you know, did a little beard fluff and it went right back to normal and all was good. I didn't get anything in my beard. I didn't feel the need to wash afterwards. I had really a non-issue. However, I have had some of you that say your dentist has said things or you've been worried about it. So I want to make a video, share my observations. Maybe there was a little tip or trick in there that didn't seem like a big deal to me, but maybe it clicked with you. But I want to hear from you guys. Have you ever experienced any inconvenience or problems? Has your dentist or dental hygienist said anything to you? And above all, do you have any tips or tricks? Like I said, maybe some wax, maybe some heat on the mustache. I just thought that this could be a searchable question or a question that people in the future ask me and we could share this video with them. So down below, let's get involved, you guys. Let's make a community discussion out of it. My name's Dan C. Bearded. Thank you for helping the beard community at large and always stay bearded and stay positive.